Welcome back to Twisted Stitches. My name is Tammy. Welcome back to the second episode of Tuesday Talks. Tuesday Talks with tips, tricks, and tutorials. Last week we did the intro, which was video number 1, obviously. And in that video, I asked how something like this would go, where I came on and I helped out with explaining certain things if you were stuck in a pattern, asking other fellow crocheters and knitters and things like that, any questions, things that you're stuck on, and as a group, all of us could come together and help out. It seemed to be well received, and I thank you guys for all your lovely comments. I had 2 comments last week on last week's video that basically I was asked a couple of questions, and I was asked if I can help them with a couple of things. So today I am here to try to help out those 2 people who asked for help. So the first person that I'm going to talk about, her name is Kathy Lawrence, and she left a message basically explaining that she was a new knitter and she was having difficult times with the purl stitch, and she didn't know where to go to find how to fix mistakes and maybe even, some easy beginner patterns and things like that. So, Kathy, I've got the answer for you. Well, I've got an answer for you. It may not be the answer, but it's an answer. I too am also a new knitter. Not very strong at all. As a matter of fact, she was saying that she was having difficulty with the purl stitch. And I can tell you from experience, like if I'm making a brim of a hat, and for whatever reason, it's like 3 knits and 2 purls. It's like quick knit, knit, knit. Ooh, got it. And then purl, purl. I really have a difficult time. Don't feel bad. I believe a purl stitch can be pretty wonky for almost anybody new to knitting. I'll tell you that right now, Kathy. But here are some resources that I will leave their links in my description box down below. Some of the people that I watch, number 1, I watch Fiber Spider. Fiber Spider has many, many knit tutorials where he literally does the tutorial where you can make a shawl and things like that, so you can follow along with him, and it's great because it gives you that experience that you need, or that confidence, that little boost that you might need. So go check out Fiber Spider for a lot of knit tutorials. He does crochet also, tons of crochets, definitely, but he has a ton of knit tutorials, and I'll leave that link down below. 2 of the other people that I watch for assistance or help when I'm like really stuck or just can't get certain things down. The first one I watch is Staci with VeryPink Knits. She has I would call them mini tutorials, kind of like she'll show you how to get past a certain stitch, or she'll show you the pattern in a condensed version. She has many, many patterns on her blog site, and she offers all kinds of assistance, so go see Staci at VeryPink Knits. And another person that I go to when I'm stuck or I'm just looking for advice or just want to learn something new about knitting. She is a plethora of knowledge with knitting. Her name is Roxanne Richardson, and I watch her podcast, and she does not only overhead where she helps you if like to show you a certain thing, like maybe with German short rows on socks, heels, different types of heels and things like that. She also just kind of goes over all the history and just lots of different things that I find fascinating. So I will leave her link in the description box below. So hopefully, Kathy, that'll answer your question and that'll give you some help there. The next person who has asked for some assistance is Barbara Lienhard. She is one of our wonderful fiber friends who is very faithful, very loyal to everybody. I see her commenting and giving her love and support to almost every crochet sister, brother, fiber artist out there. I'm telling you this right now. So she asked for some assistance. She was just stating that it would probably be a good thing to maybe do a teaching session with all the decreases. So in my next shot, you will see the visual tutorial on how to perform the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. If you are a super experienced crocheter, this might be boring for you. You may want to just skip over this, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you very much for stopping in. But if you think that it may help you out a little bit, or if you are a super new crocheter, or you know somebody who is a new crocheter who may be stuck on decreases, send them my way. So here we go. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helps you out. We will start with the invisible single crochet decrease used in amigurumi. The reason they do the decrease this way is to prevent having a bulky stitch. When you're working in crochet, as you know, you work through these V stitches right here, these V stitches. So you would enter your hook into your work, and both loops, that V, would be on your hook. When you're doing an invisible decrease, you work the decrease using your front loops only. Let me show you. You enter into your first stitch, front loop only. Then you enter into your next stitch, front loop only. You yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Invisible single crochet decrease has been made. Once again, enter into your stitch, front loop only, enter into your next stitch, front loop only, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Invisible single crochet decrease made. This is used in amigurumi. On the back of your work, you could see you would have the ridges. So if you were doing a regular, like a blanket or something like that, you wouldn't want to do this one because you'd be able to see those ridges and your work would not be reversible. In amigurumi, it doesn't matter because you work in the rounds and that was on the inside and you just don't see it. But you have a nice, clean, small looking stitch. See here, I have 2 decreases next to each other and you can barely tell like with the regular single crochets here. So now a regular single crochet decrease. In a pattern, it is SC, the number 2, TOG. If you see that, that is single crochet 2 together. Another way it may be written is something like SC 17 ST, then decrease, meaning single crochet 17 stitches. On your 18th and your 19th stitch, perform a decrease, which is single crochet 2 together. You enter into your stitch, both loops on your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Enter into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. 1 single crochet decrease made. Once again, enter into your next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Enter into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Single crochet decrease made. That turns 2 single crochets into 1. So that is how you single crochet 2 together. So now I will show you how to half double crochet 2 together. HDC 2 TOG. The way that the book tells you to do it is to yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. That gives you 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, enter into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up your work. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5. I don't like this. My way is just a way that I like to do it, because the only reason I don't like this is because you can tell, and it's big and bulky compared to your other half double crochet stitches. I don't know if you can see that there. So this is the way I like to do a half double crochet 2 together. I don't think I'm the only one who does this. I think there's many people that do. So you yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Without yarning over, enter into your very next stitch, like if you were going to do a single crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4. You get a less bulky half double crochet 2 together than if you do it the other way. Here, let me show you the other way again. Half double crochet. This way, you would bring up, you would yarn over again, enter in, bring up, you would have 5 loops. There. So, can you tell the difference? This is the way that the book tells you to do it. Half double crochet 2 together. This is the way I like to do mine right here. Can you see a difference? To me, it looks less bulky. So, once again, that's the proper way to do it. This is the way I like to do it. Yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Enter into your next stitch as if to do a single crochet. Do not yarn over first. Then pull up, yarn over and pull up your loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4. Half double crochet 2 together has been made. Practice, or let's perform the double crochet 2 together. As you know, in a double crochet, you yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 double crochet completed. Double crochet decrease, or DC2, the number 2, TOG. So now I will show you how to do the double crochet decrease. Yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Now stop. Yarn over once again, enter into your next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. 1 double crochet 2 together completed. See? You took 2 double crochets, turned it into 1. So, shall we do that one more time? Just for good measure, yarn over, enter into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, enter into your next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on your hook left. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Double crochet 2 together. Yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, enter into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, enter into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, enter into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. Double crochet 2 together. So on this one, we will be triple crocheting two together. TC, the number 2, TOG is how it can be written in a pattern. On a triple crochet, you wrap your hook twice, you enter into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, you pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 triple crochet completed. We will triple crochet 2 together. Wrap your hook as if to triple crochet. Enter into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, leave the 2 loops on your hook, stop. Wrap your hook, wrap your hook twice, enter into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops left on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Triple crochet 2 together. Easy peasy. Let's do that again. We wrap our hook twice. We'll enter into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops left on your hook, wrap your hook twice, enter into your next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. TC2 TOG. Wrap your hook twice, enter the next stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, stop. Wrap twice, enter into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops left, yarn over, pull through all 3, wrap twice, enter into loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, wrap twice, enter into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. That's how you perform triple crochet 3 together. So in this video, we discussed the invisible single crochet decrease used in amigurumi. We discussed single crochet 2 together, half double crochet 2 together, double crochet, and triple crochet 2 together. Okay, so that was how to do the decreases. I hope it was helpful. If you did enjoy this content, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And would you please consider subscribing to my channel? I bring you 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. Friday is my regular podcast. I do podcast style where we just chitter chat and we discuss patterns and works in progress and things that I've completed. And on Tuesdays, we'll be doing either tips, or if you have some questions, or I may have something that I want to show you, or I may have a tutorial coming up, hopefully pretty soon, guys. So I'm just learning all this overhead stuff and the visual learning thing, so stick with me. We're gonna keep on trying, keep on plugging away, guys. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. So leave a comment down below. Did it help? Was it okay? All right, guys, you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you on Friday. Have a great one, guys. Bye.